Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. Here we have a very interesting development currently on the chart. So we followed the scenario that we were here in a triangle, an Elliott Wave triangle, an A, B, C, D, E pattern. In the last video, I assumed wave D was already finished. We were pretty much here, and since then we have seen a price increase. So this makes sense because in a wave E, we would normally expect to move to the upside. Told you the wave E can be very low. And I know I had a few viewers who already thought, obviously I didn't do another video afterwards, but who thought the wave E was finished here because I mentioned in the video the wave E could be very short. And yeah, there was a chance and we could have sold off directly from here. So what this overall scenario means actually for anybody who's tuning in new, it means that XRP has not finished the overall correction. At least that is currently my view. The bullish price action since the low from the 18th of June just would not confirm any bullishness, which doesn't mean it couldn't happen. But for now, because the price action just doesn't justify a more bullish wave count, I remain focused on the downside. This so far has played out since the high here. Yeah, we have made lower lows and lower highs. It looked like that we were in a triangle and it looked like we were doing the wave D. And to be honest, it wouldn't have made any difference for anyone because I told you that here the wave D was finished and I expect now higher prices in a wave E. Unfortunately, it cannot be a triangle anymore. Why? Because here with this move, we came down too low. Okay, so you would have to count it like that. A, B, and sorry, yeah. A, B, C, D. The wave D can't go below the wave B. That has invalidated the triangle. We still see a move up as here highlighted as a wave E as expected, but it can't be a wave E anymore. So what is it? It doesn't change the fact that I still see this as the bearish wave count. And even though we invalidated the triangle here, this doesn't mean that we couldn't still sell off. Okay, so for me, this hasn't changed anything because the price action still does not justify a more bullish wave count. For now, my view has changed. And I mean, let's say it theoretically, it could potentially still be a triangle. Based on that this was what invalidated, it was only a small wick. And maybe on some exchanges, it didn't invalidate the triangle. However, what has to become now my primary expectation is not the triangle. So let's say this wave 4, which would have ended at the end of the triangle, therefore now ended here. From the low here, this was an A, B, C pattern, a wave 4 to the upside. That means we have already started a sell-off scenario here to the downside from the wave here as a wave 1 and a wave 2. Yeah, so let me just show you that. As a 1, as a 2, down as a 3, yeah, 4, 5. This is now the most likely scenario for me. Would get invalidated above the wave 2 high, which is at 35.8 cents. Then we can look at something more bullish. If you ask yourself, where are we here now? In my opinion, we've just completed a wave 1 within the wave 3. Okay, so this is how it would turn out in blue, in my opinion, finishing off here at the low of the wave 5, then the overall XRP correction. From here, yeah, in more detail, we can obviously count an ABC pattern to the, no, sorry, need to delete that now because it is not a 3-wave move anymore. That was the triangle count. So obviously we are in the wave 3 then. This would be based on this, yeah. And we would have to count this here as a wave 1 of a wave 3. And we are now in the wave 2 of the wave 3. After which we would then see to the downside a wave 3 of the wave 3. Then there will be a 4 and a 5. Yeah, so First the 1 reached, then the 2, then the 3, then there will be a 4 and a 5. This year in the wave 2, we could say possibly wave 2 will be finished here at any point. Can calculate targets for that as well. Let's take a look at the Fibonacci retracements. For wave 2, likely would be the 33-cent level. Here, that's the 50% Fib retracement. Without a problem, we could also go to the 61.8 or even the 78.6% Fib level. So this is the area that I'd go with between 33 and 34.6 cents. That's where I would go with in terms of key resistance where we would turn around. Again, invalidation point is here 35.8 cents. So it could theoretically go that high. The question is always, how likely is such a move? And for me, the most likely scenario will be to reach here one of these three Fib levels and find a rejection here. What would then be the best evidence that wave 3 has started? It would be a move below this swing low here at 31.2 cents. So we can label this wave 2 obviously as an ABC. ABC. And I don't think the C wave is over yet. Not yet. This depends on a few factors. I mean, we can calculate the target also by taking the length of the wave A, adding it to the wave B low, and then key target would be here 33.6, or even here the 1.618, that would be the 35-cent level. So let's see which of these will actually turn to be working. You will see it when you get to any of these levels and see a strong bearish reaction. And then again, best evidence that wave 3 has started would be a move below 31.2 cents. And then confirmation that we are in a wave 3 would be below 30.2 cents. Okay, and this is what we're going with here now, yeah? So that's currently my view about XRP. Again, the bearish wave count, I wouldn't even show you a bullish one at the moment because the price action doesn't justify it. It would also be very difficult, to be honest, to justify it here with those lower lows that we are making here. It would be very difficult. You would have to count this as a wave 1 up, as a 2 here, another 1, 2, but no, that's not possible. So 1, then an A, B, C, and now we would start to go up. But again, therefore, I gave you the invalidation point for the bearish scenario, and then we can switch to the more bullish one should we get above that. Okay, so that's my view about XRP. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.